In this video, I'll guide you through how to join the eBay affiliate program. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or just starting out, joining the eBay affiliate program is a fantastic way to monetize your traffic and earn commissions by promoting eBay products. This process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through each step to make sure you're set up for success. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to partnernetwork.ebay.com. This is the official site for eBay's affiliate program, where you can manage your account, track your earnings, and access promotional tools. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if it's your first time here. You'll notice the interface is clean and user-friendly, designed to make your experience as seamless as possible. Next, look towards the top right corner of the page, and you'll see a button labeled Sign Up. Clicking this button will begin the registration process. It's important to ensure that you're on the correct site, so double-check the URL before proceeding. Clicking Sign Up will direct you to a page where you can choose how you'd like to create your account. Now, you'll be presented with the option to Sign in with eBay. This is a convenient choice if you already have an eBay account, as it allows you to use your existing credentials to join the affiliate program. This method saves time and keeps all your eBay-related activities under one account. Click on Sign in with eBay, and you'll be redirected to the eBay login page. Here, you'll need to enter your eBay account information. This includes your email address or username and your password. If you've forgotten your login details, don't worry. There's an option to recover your account information. Ensure that you enter your details correctly to avoid any login issues. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken back to the eBay Partner Network site to continue your registration. The next step is to enter your information. This will include some personal details such as your name, contact number, and address. Make sure to input accurate information, as this is crucial for receiving payments and any communications from eBay. It's also a good idea to double-check everything before moving on to prevent any potential delays or issues down the line. Following this, you'll need to enter your company information and promotional information. If you're an individual without a company, you can simply enter your personal details again. For the promotional information, eBay will ask you to describe how you plan to promote their products. This could be through a blog, a social media channel, or another type of digital platform. Be as detailed as possible to give eBay a clear understanding of your promotional strategy. Finally, once all the information has been filled out correctly, you'll see the Sign Up button. Clicking this will submit your application to join the eBay affiliate program. After submitting, you'll typically receive an email confirming your application. Approval times can vary, but keep an eye on your inbox for any updates from eBay. And there you have it. You've successfully applied to join the eBay affiliate program. Once your application is approved, you'll gain access to a wide range of tools and resources to help you start earning commissions by promoting eBay products. Remember, the key to success in affiliate marketing is consistency and creativity, so take the time to explore the platform and discover all the resources available to you. Thanks for watching, and happy affiliating.